Praise the Lord. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to this online classes. Dear students, we have been solving the exercise questions from the fifth chapter of First PUC Mathematics, Complex Numbers. We have solved all the three exercises, the regular exercises from this chapter, and we are left over with the miscellaneous exercise. We generally know this, that miscellaneous exercise contains the most challenging questions of the complete chapter. Okay, so for this you have to know the entire concept in detail. Okay, so let us solve it one by one. Let's take up the first question for the day, which you can already see here. So the first question we have is evaluate. Evaluate means find the value of. You have to evaluate. The question is I power 18 plus 1 by I power 25 whole cube. Okay. Let us try to simplify this. This can be written as, now I power, I'll write it in multiples of 4. I can take it as 4 4s are 16 plus 2. Okay. Now plus, I've told you in the previous class itself, 1 by I is nothing but minus I. Okay. So this will give you power 25 whole cube. How will you get 1 by I is minus I? Please note it down. So if you consider 1 divided by I, okay, so this can be written as 1 divided by I into multiply by I and divide by I. So this will give me I into 1 is I, divided by I into I is I square. We know I square is minus 1, so we'll get I divided by minus 1. That is nothing but minus I. That is why I told you 1 by I is nothing but minus I. Okay, so further going, now we know that whenever you have multiples of 4 for I, this will completely be 0. You will be left over with I square. Okay. Now plus, you can see here, negative of the odd power. Power is odd, so this will actually be minus of. Okay. Minus of, this is I to I power 25. Minus of I power 25. Sorry. I might have, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು. Now I'll take it in the next step. So this is nothing but, now going to I square value, we'll know it is minus 1. Now plus into minus is minus. Again it is I power 25. I power 25 is nothing but, let me write it as 4 6 are 24 plus 1. So this is nothing but minus, sorry, don't forget you have cube outside, whole cube. And this is minus 1 minus, as I told you, multiples of 4 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, you will just get I power 1 whole cube. So this is nothing but, this is simply minus 1 minus I whole cube. So if you take minus common in this, you will get minus of 1 plus I whole cube. Now because the power is odd, the minus will remain as it is. I can simply write 1 plus I whole cube. If I expand this using a plus b whole square formula, I will get my result. So let us use a plus b whole square. I've given you the formula here. Don't forget to take this minus outside. So it is a cube plus 3a square andre I square into b, sorry, a value 1 alva. So a value is 1 square, 3a square b plus 3ab square. a andre 1, b andre I square. Okay, finally I cube. Okay, so this is nothing but minus is outside, 1 cube is 1. Okay, plus 3I into, now sorry, 1 square is again 1. Now plus 3 into 1 is 3. What is I square? I square value is minus 1 plus I cube. We know I cube can be written as I square into I. I cube can be written as I square into I. Okay, so this would be nothing but, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ simplification ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So I get 1 plus 3i, 3 into minus 1 will give me minus 3, and we know that I square is equal to minus 1, so this will become minus I. Remember why I have taken this? Because we all know that the value of I square is minus 1. Okay, I need not write it every single time. So this will give me minus of, what is 1 minus 3? 1 minus 3 will be minus 2, and 3i plus I, sorry, 3i minus I will give me plus 2y. Don't forget you have a minus outside, so if you multiply minus, you will get minus of minus plus 2y, plus into minus is minus 2y. Don't forget the given complex number, you can take it as z. Okay, therefore your given complex number is nothing but z, which is the most simplest form is 2 minus 2y. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 2 ಅಥವಾ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಅಂತೂ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ. ಆದರೆ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ವಿ ನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಫೈನ್. Let's go to the next question. This next question is, I'm taking the third question from the miscellaneous exercise. Okay, reduce the given complex number to the standard form. Standard form andre enu? A plus IB form. Okay, so first what we'll do it is take the given complex number as z. So I've considered the given complex number as z. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ 2 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಈಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಬೆಸ್ಟು. ಸಿ ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 minus 4i ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 1 plus 4i ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು 2 divided by 1 plus I will multiply and divide by its conjugate, which is nothing but 1 minus I. Okay, similarly for the same this term, so it is 3 minus 4i divided by 5 plus I ide, multiply and divide by 5 minus I, multiply and divide. Okay, see what happens. This is nothing but numerator will be 1 into 1 plus 4i. Simply this will be 1 plus 4i divided by denominator is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So it is a square minus b square. B square andre 4i square. Okay, similarly minus, let me multiply this. It is 2 into 1 minus I divided by, again same, a plus b into a minus b. So it is a square minus b square. Okay, now multiplying I'll get 3 minus 4i into 5 minus I. Please be careful with these steps. Divided by a plus b into a minus b. So it is a square minus b I ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I square ಬರೆದು ಸಾಕು, ಅಥವಾ I square ಆದರೂ ಬರೀರಿ, I whole square ಆದರೂ ಬರೀರಿ, both are same. So this will be nothing but you will get 1 plus 4i divided by, this is 1 minus 4 square is 16, this is I square, 1 minus 16i square minus, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ remove the bracket, 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2i divided by 1 square is 1 minus I square. Okay, now this is, let me split up the bracket, 3 into 5, so 3 5s are 15 minus 3 into I is 3i minus 4 5s are 20i, minus of minus is plus, 4i into I is 4i square divided by 5 square is 25 minus I square. Okay, so this is nothing but I'll get 1 plus 4i divided by, this is 1 plus 16. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ I told you I square value is minus 1, so if I use it I can directly write it as plus 16 minus 2 divided by 2i divided by 1. In the same way I square is minus 1, so this will become 1 plus 1. Going on, now this is 15. Okay, minus 3i minus 20i is nothing but minus 23i, and this is again I square is minus 1, therefore plus 4 will become, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 divided by 25. Again this minus I square becomes plus 1, I square is minus 1, minus of minus becomes plus 1. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬರೀ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನು, ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ತುಂಬ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫರ್ದರ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 1 plus 4i divided by 16 plus 1, that is 17 minus 2 minus 2i divided by 1 plus 1 ಏನು 2. Okay, fine. Next, this will give me 15 minus 4 is to 11, so 11 minus 23i, okay, divided by 25 plus 1 is 26. Okay, let me further simplify. This is nothing but it is 1 plus 4i divided by 7 minus ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will just have 1 minus I. Okay, here I will have 11 minus 23i divided by 26. ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Now if you take the LCM, you will get LCM is 7. So you will have 1 plus 4i as it is. Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ 7 ಇಂದ minus 1 into 7 is 7. Minus of minus is plus. 7 into I is 7i. Okay, divided by 11 minus 23i divided by 26. So this will give me 1 minus 7 ಏನು minus 6, isn't it? So it is minus 6. 4 plus 7 is 11i divided by, sorry, ಇದು 17. 7 ಅಲ್ಲ 17. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 17 plus 17. Okay, so minus 17 plus 1 is minus 16 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Next 17 plus 4 is 21i. Kindly excuse me. 21i divided by 17. Okay, into 11 minus 23i divided by 26. Okay, now please be careful with this step. Now I'm going to multiply. Anyhow, the denominator you will be having just 17 into 26. You will be having minus 16 into 11. 16 11s is minus 176. ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 16 into 23. You will get 368i. Okay, next plus 21 into 11. 11 times you will get 231i. ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ, I ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. ನಾವು ಅಗೇನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. 21 into 23 you will get 483. I into I will give me I square. Okay, divided by 17 into 26 ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. Now this is nothing but remember 368i plus 231i add up ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 559i ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now this is minus 176. Remember I square is minus 1, so minus 483 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 483 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ I square, because again ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿ ಸರಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, you have to remember I square value is minus 1 divided by 17 into 26, that will be 442. So this will be nothing but if you add up 483 minus 176 calculate ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, you will get 307 plus 559i divided by 442. This is the final answer. Actually ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ therefore you can write z is equal to a ಅಂತಂದರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟು 307 divided by 442 plus I into 559 divided by 442. Okay, so this is about the final answer for this question. Okay, ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತೂ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ CET, ನೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ 1 mark ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಾರ್ 3 marks. ಇಫ್ x minus iy is equal to root of a minus ib divided by c minus id, you have to prove that x square plus y square whole square that is equal to a square plus b square divided by c square plus d square. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನಾವು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆನ್ both sides, taking square on both sides. So it's an important process. So if you take the square on both sides, you can directly write left hand side becomes x minus iy whole square, right hand side is square and root cancel agi direct ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ a minus ib divided by c minus id. Okay, this looks more simple. If I want, I can consider this as equation 2. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ equation 2 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, because here I have to apply the modulus on both sides. Okay, so see, taking modulus on both sides of equation 2. Now look here, I have to take the modulus. Modulus square ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. For first I'll split x minus iy whole square as x minus iy into x minus iy. Okay, split ಮಾಡಿ modulus ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, this is nothing but modulus of a minus ib divided by c minus id. Okay, now this left hand side ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಲಿ, modulus of x minus iy into modulus of x minus iy is equal to, I can split up the modulus separately because modulus of z1 by z2 is equal to mod z1 divided by mod z2. So this is modulus of a minus ib divided by modulus of c minus id. Okay, tumba simple question. Okay, now what is actually the modulus of any complex number? This is actually the complex number z is equal to a minus ib, correct alla? Either it is a plus ib or a minus ib, the modulus is given by root of x square plus y square. Okay, because z is equal to a minus ib or a plus ib ಎರಡೂ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದಿದ್ರೂ modulus of z is root of a square plus b square. Applying this, you will have into, this is also root of x square plus y square. This will be nothing but, ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ modulus ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get root of a square plus b square divided by denominator will be root of c square plus d square. ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Now if you take a root a into root a is nothing but a itself. So or else you can take root of x square plus y square whole square. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮ್ ರೂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಓವರ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫೈನಲ್ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಈಗ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಐ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. This will be nothing but RHS will be a square plus b square divided by c square plus d square. This is my required solution. You can say hence the proof. ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ನು ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಇದು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ನ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1. ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಡಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಐ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ರಾದರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದೇ, ಅಥವಾ ಇದರ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನೋಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ. ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಬಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ವಿ ನೋ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಐ ಬಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಅನ್ನೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಐ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಿದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 and 2. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 and 2 and see what we are going to get. So if you multiply equation 1 and 2, what happens? The left hand side will be, it is a plus ib from first equation, a minus ib from second equation. Okay, this is nothing but, for first equation is, it is x plus I whole square divided by 2x square plus 1 into x minus I ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು a ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ib ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್, ನಾವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಐಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಐ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಮೈ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಈಸಿ. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಸೊ 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ i ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ p ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು a ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ i ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್, ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ minus b square into, ಮತ್ತೆ again what is I square value? We know I square value is minus 1. This is nothing but you will be getting x square minus of, again I square is minus 1 whole square divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. So if you simplify, you will get the solution in the next step. Okay, therefore you will get a square minus of minus becomes plus b square. So this will be nothing but you will get x square minus of minus is nothing but plus 1 whole square divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. You check ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, this is what I exactly needed and I've already got the answer. Okay, hence the required result. ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, 2 ಸಾರಿ ಬರೆದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Let's take up this next question. I have if z1 is equal to 2 minus I, z2 is equal to 1 plus I. I have to find modulus of z1 plus z2 plus 1 divided by z1 minus z2 plus 1. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. Let us first find out z1 plus z2 and z1 minus z2. Okay, so I've just taken down what is z1 and z2. Let me first find z1 plus z2. So z1 plus z2 will be nothing but 2 minus I plus 1 plus I. Okay, so this will be nothing but if you remove the bracket, you will get 2 minus I plus 1 plus I. Now you can see here minus I plus I gets cancels. You are left over with 2 plus 1. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. It is 3. Okay, similarly let me find out z1 minus z2. This is nothing but 2 minus I minus of 1 minus I. So this is nothing but remove the bracket 2 minus I, minus into 1 is it is nothing but minus 1, minus of minus will give me plus. What is minus of minus? This is actually plus I. So this should be minus I. Let me change it. Let's proceed. Now I have 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 and minus I. ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You will get minus 2i. Okay, minus I becomes minus 2i. Now let me consider z1 plus z2 plus 1 divided by z1 minus z2 plus 1, because ಅದೇ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಿರೋದು. First let me find this and then take the modulus. Now what is z1 plus z2? It is ready. So this is nothing but 3 plus 1 divided by what is z1 minus z2? I actually have 1 minus 2i plus 1. Okay, so this is nothing but 3 plus 1 is simply 4 divided by, again what is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 will be 2 minus 2i. Okay, what I can do it is cancel ಮಾಡೋಣ. You can take 4 divided by, if you take 2 common in the denominator, you will get 1 minus I. Okay, therefore this will be, now you cancel 2 1s and 2 2s. ನಿಮಗೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು 2 divided by 1 minus I. Okay, this is my equation 1 anta tagolana. Now let me consider the modulus of this. Okay, now modulus ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. that would be more better. Okay, so this is nothing but 2 divided by 1 minus I. Let me rationalize the denominator. So multiply and divide by its conjugate 1 plus I. So this will give me 2 into 1 plus I divided by 1. So this is a plus b into a minus b. You'll get a square minus b square. B square and I square. So this will be nothing but you will get 2 into 1 plus I divided by 1 square is 1. Now what is actually I square? Again, you don't know how many times we use this. Since I square is minus 1, minus of minus becomes plus 1. So this is nothing but 2 into 1 plus I divided by 1 plus 1 into 2. It will get cancelled. So you will get simply 1 plus I. Means the entire term is nothing but 1 plus I. Now we can take the modulus and you can easily get the value. Therefore, the required modulus andre enu, simplified form of this is nothing but modulus of 1 plus I. So this is nothing but modulus of any complex number is square root of x square plus y square. So 1 square, that is a real part is 1, imaginary part is also 1. So this is nothing but square root of 1 square is 1 plus 1. So you get the value is root 2, which will be the final answer. Okay, the problems ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಂದರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, fine. So we have concluded this question. Let us take up the next one. So let's take up the next one. We have find the modulus and argument of the complex number. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? Polar form ಬರೆಯೋ problems now exercise 5.12 we have seen this. How to find the modulus and argument. For me to find the modulus and argument, I have to first write the given complex number in a plus ib form. Okay, let us try to simplify this. So for me to bring it to a plus ib form, let me rationalize the denominator. So it is 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 3i. Let me multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, which is nothing but 1 plus 3i divided by 1 plus 3i. Okay, so this will give me 1 plus 2i into 1 plus 3i divided by a plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square, that is 3i square. Okay, let's further let's expand. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 3i is 3i plus 2i into 1 is 2i plus 2 into 3 is 6. I into I is I square divided by 1 square is 1 minus 3 square is 9. I into I is I square. Okay, so this is nothing but now I can write this as 1 plus 2i plus 5i will give me 2i plus 3i 5i. Now again we know I square is minus 1, so this will give me minus 6 divided by this is 1 minus, now as I told you I square is minus 1, so this becomes plus 9. Okay, so this you can write it as what is 1 minus 6. Actually you will get minus 5 plus 5i divided by 9 plus 2 is what? 10. Okay, so now if you take 5 common in the numerator, you will get minus 1 plus I divided by 10. Okay, so 5 once and twice cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. You have minus 1 plus I divided by 2. Okay, this is my simplified form. Further I can write it as therefore z is equal to, I can write minus 1 by 2 plus I into 1 by 2. Okay, this will be my important complex number. Okay, hereafter we can easily find out the modulus and the argument. Now considering the x and y values, we know x is minus half and y is plus half. Now minus and plus, which quadrant? We know this lies in the second quadrant. Okay, now let's find out the value of alpha first. Now we know tan alpha is nothing but modulus of y by x. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. tan alpha is modulus of y by x and mod y by x values ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ half divided by minus half modulus ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ you get just 1. Okay, tan what angle you will get 1? We know tan 45 is nothing but 1. Therefore, you will get alpha is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Therefore, now because the point ಯಾವ quadrant ಇದೆ second quadrant ಇದೆ. Now what is theta value? Theta value we know it is nothing but pi minus alpha. Correct? So proceeding, we have theta is nothing but what is pi? Sorry, pi is actually pi. Pi minus pi by 4. Okay. So we know we have solved it many times. If you take the LCM, you will get 4 pi minus pi. That is nothing but 3 pi. 3 pi by 4. This is my argument. Okay, which is the value of theta. Now first, let's find out its modulus. Now coming to the modulus, we know mod z is equal to root of x square plus y square. Therefore, mod z is equal to root of, what is x value? Minus half square plus y value is plus half square. This will be nothing but square root of, you will get 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. This is nothing but 2 by 4. Okay. That will again you will get 1 by 2, and if you get this root 1 is nothing but 1 divided by root 2. This is actually the value of mod z. Okay, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟು. I've already got the value. Okay, so let us conclude by writing the conclusion. Here comes the conclusion. You can write modulus value is mod z, which is nothing but 1 by root 2, and argument value is theta, which is 3 pi by 4. Thus, that concludes the solution for this particular question. Okay. Let's take up one more simple question. Find the number of non-zero integral solutions of the equation modulus of 1 minus I whole power x is equal to 2 power x. Okay. Let's take up the given equation as it is. Modulus of 1 minus x whole square is nothing but 2 power x. Let me take this as equation 1. Let me first consider the modulus of 1 minus I. So let me consider modulus of 1 minus I. It's a very simple question. So modulus value is nothing but root of real part is 1 plus imaginary part is minus 1 whole square. So this will be nothing but square root of 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is also 1. So this will be nothing but root 2. Okay. Therefore, look here, I can take this way. Modulus of 1 minus I. What I can replace modulus of 1 minus I as root 2. So root 2 power x is nothing but 2 power x. Okay. How I can take this as equation 2? I can say using 2 in 1. Okay. So now this will be nothing but, we know that root value is nothing but half. So 2 power half whole power x is equal to 2 power x. And again we have a rule over there. A power of m whole power n is nothing but a power of m into n. Okay. So using this you will get 2 power of half into x will be x by 2 would be nothing but 2 power of x, isn't it? So since the bases are equal, this will imply the powers will also be equal. That means x by 2 will be equal to x. Okay. So that means this will imply x by 2 minus x is equal to 0. Okay. So if you multiply the equation by 2, or no need, you can take x minus 2, that is nothing but half minus 1 is nothing but minus half, isn't it? So you will get this is equal to minus of x by 2. In minus 1, I am taking out plus half, so it is nothing but minus half. So minus x by 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 0. Cross multiply, you will get x is equal to 0. This is actually the integral value we require. That means there is no non-zero integral solution. Actually, you wanted find the number of non-zero integral solutions. If I had got the value of x, that would have given me the number of non-zero integral solutions. Because the values of x is equal to 0, we can conclude. So here goes our conclusion. There is no non-zero integral solution. Okay. Don't you think it's a simple question? These questions are very useful for CET purpose. Okay. Yeah. So I think it's time up. Let us take one more simple question and wind up the solution. Wind up the video. Okay. Let's take one last question. So here comes the final question of the day. Yenide? Let us see. If a plus ib into c plus id into e plus if into g plus ih is equal to a plus ib. ಏನು ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ? Well, it may look very confusing question, but I promise you within 1 minute you can solve this question. Okay. Though it may take more than 1 minute for me to teach, for you to solve this, you need just 1 minute. Let's take up the given question as equation 1. Now, I've already considered the equation 1. Now, what I will do it is, let me apply conjugate on both sides. Are you following? Taking conjugate on both sides of equation 1. So, taking conjugate on both sides of equation 1, actually what is conjugate of a plus ib? We know it is a minus ib. Correct? Now, similarly, conjugate of c plus id is c minus id. So, e plus if becomes e minus I into f. G plus ih becomes g minus I into h. This is equal to right hand side becomes a minus ib. Okay. So, this is my equation 2. Okay. Now, looking this, nimge already guess ಮಾಡಬಹುದು next step ಏನು ಅಂತ, multiplying equation 1 and 2. So if I multiply on both sides and see what happens, here let me multiply each term. So it is a plus ib into a minus ib, correct? Similarly, the second term c plus id into c minus id, e plus if into e minus if, and finally g plus ih into g minus ih. Okay, this will be equal to a plus ib into a minus ib. Okay, now this looks like a plus ib a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So it is a square minus I square b square. Similarly, c square minus I square d square, and e square minus I square f square, and finally a plus b into I minus g square minus I square h square. This is equal to a square minus I square b square. Okay, so almost we have approached the solution using what is minus I square. Now we know I square value is minus 1. Let me use this. So this becomes a square, minus of minus becomes plus. So a square plus b square into c square plus d square into e square plus f square into g square plus h square. This is equal to right hand side you will get a square plus b square, because again I square is minus 1. Prati term go ade use madkolti. You can check here, this is actually what I want. Okay, so this is the required result. Well students, this is all about the problems we are supposed to do in this video. There are still few more important questions in the miscellaneous exercise which I have not solved. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬಹುದಾದಂಥ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು 4-5 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ನು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆಲ್, ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಹವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್. Subscribe to our channel so that you will get all the notifications of our upcoming videos. Well friends, thanks for watching the video. We will meet again in the next session. That would be the last video on the chapter of complex numbers. Okay, so until then, take care of your health. God bless you all, and bye.